Hello job seekers, welcome to the Pharma Awareness channel. JB Chemical and Pharmaceuticals Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. JB Chemical is hiring M.Sc and M.Pharm candidates. Please watch this video till the end. I will tell you how you apply. Openings are for tablet manufacturing plant located at Panoli near Ankleshwar. If you are new my channel, please subscribe Pharma Awareness channel with hit the bell icon to get more job notification. JB having 7 plants across India producing a wide array of pharmaceutical products and solutions are united by a common passion for quality. JB believes that quality establishes faith in the brands of the company and it cannot be compromised at any cost. Open position for Officer and Executive for ADL Department. Number of vacancy is 3. Candidates should be 3 to 6 years of experience in pharmaceutical industries. CTC is 3 to 6 lakhs per annum. Now see the job description. Please read carefully. If you are excited to be part of the JB family, please email your updated CV to chetan.prajapati@jbpharma.com. So friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share this job with your friends. I will update more job posts shortly. Thank you.